and welcome to today's market fundamental and technical breakdown. My name is Anthony Phillips Njoku, and I'm a certified professional digital trader with 13 years of experience. I'm the founder of Tenet Digital Lane, where everyone who has a knowledge gap in digital trading, real estate, wealth building can be able to subscribe for a package, learn the various information about this industry and make money from it. So this Forex fundamental and technical breakdown is for the time period of August 21st, August 25th. So if this is your first time, please smash the like button, comment below Forex, so that the algorithm is going to spread this video to those who need this Forex education to be able to know the next forecasts in the market direction. So starting our fundamental breakdown, we're diving in with DXY, the strength of the dollar. DXY for the strength of the dollar. And currently on DXY, we can see that we're inside a H4 order block. We're inside the H4 order block over here for DXY. So we expect market to have some drop in strength. It's going to lose strength a bit. So from here now, we're expecting market to what? Break structure, break this low, break this low, break this low, grab liquidity, and then return to origin, then continue the drop to the downside. Psychological level of 102.5. That's what we're expecting market to get to. For this is going to be more like a corrective structure before the next up push. Then the next on our list is Euro USD. Euro USD is 80% correlated to the dollar. And you can see currently we also have Euro USD inside the H4 validation point. This is the validation point. This is the order block. This square over here, this green square is the order block. So we have a lot of buyers, buy side liquidity lying here. So what we expect for Euro USD, we expect market to come down and fulfill efficiency by touching this H4 validation point and then grab liquidity from below here, because there are buy side liquidities lying here. So we expect market to come here, grab this liquidity, and we start looking for our buy setups. We'll be more interested on the buy setups. I'm taking the market to the upside, more of the corrective structure. That's it for Euro USD. Then GBP USD. GBP USD has a total different structure. For GBP USD, we can see that last week the market swept an order block. It was inside its order block and swept liquidity, returning back to an origin. And from here, we're expecting GBP USD to start selling to the downside, taking out liquidities from this low, and taking out liquidity from this low, because you can see we have the H4 validation point over here and order block over here. So we expect the market to dive into this H4 validation point before we then expect the next direction and move on the market. So GBP USD to the downside. Then GPJPY, one of the popular pairs for the week. GPJPY, one of the popular pairs for the week. Like we all know, we told you guys we're expecting GPJPY to go up to the psychological level of 185. And last week, GPJPY went up to the psychological level of 185. I also extended its gain to about psychological level of 186.42. So from this point now, it has created what a H4 order block and a return to origin over here. So we're expecting market to come back into this order block and return to origin, taking liquidity from here. And then we're expecting a 900 pips drop down to this H4 validation point and order block, as you can see marked over here. The next on our list is United USD card. USD card has a little bit of complex structure, but still on point. We're expecting a little bit of what? Corrective structure, grabbing some liquidity below here, then USD card going into this zone, and from here we'll now start looking for the next direction in the market for USD card, because we have the H4 bearish, H4 order block over here, and validation points as well. The next on our list is USD JPY. USD has already extended gains into this H4 and daily validation point, a very strong level of resistance. And from here now, we're expecting market to what? Come and fulfill efficiency. There is unfulfilled efficiency over here on the smaller time frame. So expect market to come back here to fulfill that efficiency because there is going to be a little bit of stop hunt for sellers that join the market over here and sellers that join the market over here. So we won't be stop hunted until market comes to fulfill this efficiency, grabs the liquidity, and then push the market to the downside for a deeper corrective structure. We can see over here, we have a H4 validation point and also a bullish order block. That could be our area of concentration. The next is gold, 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 God's money. So for gold USD, it's quite fortunate that gold has taken out a lot of lows. It has taken out this low and liquidity in that low. So from this point now, we're expecting what? A change of what? Structure. A change of structure. And when we see that change of structure, I'm more interested on the buy setups. My psychological level when the buy setup starts playing out is 1950 psychological level. Then US oil, like you guys can remember, last week I told you guys US oil has reached its peak. And from this point, we should be looking for our sell setups. US oil gave us a smooth sell setup over here, smart money concept and sold. So we're expecting what market to come back into this what H4 order block and fulfill efficiency that is lying here. And from here, we're expecting more drop for US oil. Bitcoin. Bitcoin has two forecasts. Directional forecast. I think Bitcoin has two directional forecasts. For Bitcoin USDT, we expect market to give us a V-shape up move. A V-shape up move, just like here. Swing down, swing up. There was a lot of manipulation. After the FOMC minutes, there was a lot of manipulation. The market started dropping. So from this point now, expecting what a push to the upside. But if we see more of a corrective structure, then you should expect one more push to the downside, aiming to at least the $23,000 per dollar, $23,000 per Bitcoin price. So that is it for our technical breakdown. If you want to learn more about how to trade the Forex market, you can dive down to our website, www.10digitallane.com. Grab yourself a package. You can see over here, we have the Crypto Academy course. We have the audio books. We have the Rise and Grind that teaches you about wealth, which has to do with growing your mindset to becoming a successful businessman and a successful entrepreneur. We also have the Pro Forex Education, the Beginner Forex Part 1A and Beginner Forex Part 1B. As soon as you dive to our website, www.10digitallane.com, you have to pick a package for a 1 month package, a 2 months, 3 months package, 6 months package, or 12 months package. After you select that, you make your payment with your preferred payment system, and you're going to gain access. You can see we also have other trade signals, webinars, trading tools, affiliate portals, buy crypto options, and this is what a mind-blowing opportunity. What are you waiting for? Go to our website now, grab a package, and we'll see you on the other side. So for the fundamental breakdown, we're checking out the news events for the coming week. So the news event for the coming week. So starting the week on Monday, we don't have any high impact news events. We don't have any high impact news event, just medium news events. Then we head into Tuesday. We have some high impact news events for the dollar pair by 3 p.m. West African time. Existing home sales, and this is high impact news. It could move the dollar to be weaker or the dollar to be stronger. So be watching out for that. And also New Zealand, exactly on Tuesday as well. High impact news, retail sales year over year and retail sales quarter over quarter for the New Zealand pairs. Be watching out for that high impact news. Early morning Wednesday, we have high impact news for the Australian dollar, the Judo Bank Service PMI, Judo Bank Manufacturing PMI, and Judo Composite PMI. That's to combine with digital manufacturing PMI, but this is low impact. So watching out for the manufacturing PMI mainly. Then early London session on Wednesday, when we have the most traded volume in the forex market every week. Wednesday has the highest traded volume in the forex market, and London session has about $82 billion traded during that period. So we'll be watching out for the euro pairs exactly by 8:15 a.m. on London session, HCOB service PMI and HCOB manufacturing PMI. This could be a very high impact news to push the market to a certain direction. Ending the London session with the GBP S&P Global CPI manufacturing that by 9:30 a.m. on Wednesday. That is going to be a very juicy London session. And on New York session by 1:30, we have Canadian retail sales export autos by 1:30, and by 2:45 we have S&P Global Manufacturing PMI. Probably we'll be trading live with the team. We're trading live with the team from 2:30 to 3 o'clock. So you can be able to grab the volatility from the S&P Global Manufacturing PMI for the dollar and the new home sales by 3 p.m. for the dollar. So go to our page on the description, join our Telegram to get these signals so you will not miss any opportunity and trade live with us. On Thursday, early in the morning, we have Jackson Hole Sim, which is high impact, mainly more like a pitch. It doesn't have a data entry, but by 1:30, we have durable goods, initial jobless claims, continuous jobless claims for the United States dollar by 1:30 on Thursday. This gives us a trading opportunity. We're trading with the guys 1 p.m. on Thursday as well. So don't miss that out. Join our Telegram. It's completely free. The link is on the description. Then on Friday, we are ending the week with London session news, FOM, IFO business climate, and New York session Michigan consumer sentiment for the week. Then we also have Fed Chairman Powell's speech by 3:05 West African time for Friday as well as the week rounds up. So be watching out for that. Thank you so much for watching to this point. I hope you got value. If you got value, smash the like button, comment below the part of the video clip that you enjoyed, or any other currency pair you would like us to add in future. Share this content and do have a profitable week. This is Anthony Phillips Njoku signing out.